How are
Hello
you?
all. Is the video and audio both is clear? Audio and video both is clear. Please message in the chat box if it is clear. Yes. Aditi is saying it is clear. Right. Okay.
कल मैं आप लोगों का क्लास नहीं ले पाई, थोड़ा करंट इशू था, थोड़े प्रॉब्लम थे, मैं आप लोगों के पास नहीं आ पाई। तो आज हम क्लास ले लेंगे और फर्स्ट ये बताना है कि प्रोजेक्ट कैसे बनाना है आप लोगों को। कुछ लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि प्रोजेक्ट में क्या करना है। सर ने बोला था प्रोजेक्ट रेडी करने के लिए। अगर किसी को कुछ समझ में आया है तो प्लीज़ बताइए।
1 minute. Let me tell them once. See, you have to submit us a kind of project report, right? And so whatever you are making, right? See, as we all are doing this online class, so I request you all to submit your project also online. You all know about PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Are you all aware about the PowerPoint presentation? If you are aware of, please message in the chat box. Yes, everybody is aware about the PowerPoint presentations. All right. So with in this online, we have to submit our project through PowerPoint presentations as well as some in audio and video formats, right? See, portfolio और project same है क्या?
नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट अलग है, पोर्टफोलियो अलग है। पोर्टफोलियो में जो हम आपसे डिमांड करेंगे कि हमें ये चाहिए। जैसे मैं कोई ड्रेस बनवाया आपसे, पोर्टफोलियो वो पूरा जब आपका 6 मंथ आपका कोर्स पूरा हो जाएगा, वो लास्ट में हमें पूरे ड्रेसेस को एक एक पीस आप लोगों को भेजना पड़ेगा बना के, तब मैं उसमें से सेलेक्ट करूँगी किसका अच्छा है। दिस इज पोर्टफोलियो, मतलब ड्रेसेस जो आप कलेक्ट करके बनाओगे।
See, project and portfolio, the basic difference is project is a compilation report of all the assignments and the work which you are doing during class and after class, right? And portfolio is something specific. For example, there is a ruffle portfolio. So ruffle portfolio in the sense like you have to make all sort of ruffles, a ruffles frock, right? So based on that, that's called ruffled portfolio. Am I clear to you all? Am I clear to you all? Yes. Okay. So right. So today, because I have got few calls from you people that you want to know. First of all, we have to make a project report that will help you. How will it help you? Let me explain that to you. Project report will help you because you can refer to your classes, because see, these classes you will not be able to attend all the times, right? So that will first initially help you to refer a kind of work which you have already done, so that you can understand that where you are, in what manner you have made that. And second thing is like for your evaluation, that project report will help a lot. You understand? So I'll send you a video of that project report also, how that kind of project report will be made, so you guys will understand. And apart from that, I will send few sample videos also. This is how your project report you can submit, right? So that will really help you a lot, guys. And if you want that to be vetted, you can send it to us for approval. All right. So that's one thing which we just want to tell you. And today Priyanka is going to tell you that how the project report has to be made and submitted as well. How the submission will be done.
पोर्टफोलियो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को दे दिया डिजाइनर्स के कुछ नाम, या आपने सेलेक्ट कर लिया डिजाइनर्स के कुछ नाम, जैसे रितु बेरी और रितु कुमार, बहुत सारे हैं, मतलब नाम नहीं याद आ रहा। तो मनीष मल्होत्रा, नो डिजाइनर्स या ओके मनीष मल्होत्रा नो डिजाइनर्स। मनीष मल्होत्रा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में उन्होंने एक जगह पा लिया डिजाइनर का। उनका मतलब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि वो एक डिजाइनर का उनको क्या बोलते हैं नाम दिया जाए। आप डिजाइनर सर्च करिए तो उसमें आप लोगों को रितु बेरी, रितु कुमार, हबीज करके आते हैं। वो बहुत सारे ऐसे डिजाइनर्स हैं, तो उनको आप लोगों को एक एक सेलेक्ट कर लेना है, ना कि एक नाम, सिर्फ एक नाम सेलेक्ट करना है। जैसे प्रियंका ने ले लिया, प्रियंका भी एक डिजाइनर है, उसका कुछ और भी नाम है। तो बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स हैं, आप लोगों को एक एक सेलेक्ट करके उनके बारे में पूरा एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, जिसे पोर्टफोलियो, कि मतलब उन्होंने क्या क्या किया वो आपको बनाना है। आपको उनके बारे में पूरा रिसर्च करना है कि कैसे बनाया। जैसे
थोड़ा स्लो बोलो, आई एम नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसलेट, दे आर सेइंग मी टू ट्रांसलेट, दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड।
जैसे कि
what she's saying that if you are, for example, any of the designer you can select, right? And you can, so far as the, because there is a confusion in portfolio and this see Priyanka Hariman, for example, if you want to make a portfolio of Priyanka, right? For example, Priyanka is itself is a designer, right? So if you want to make a portfolio of Priyanka, so whatever designs that is available on her page, that you can, you can make her portfolio on behalf of that. You understand? So do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? You have to make a portfolio on a specific thing, but project is on whole what you are learning. All right? Am I clear now? Portfolio is based on a specific thing, and project is on whole what you are learning. Based on that, project will be made. Okay. So today, first step by step, you see that how the project will be made, so that will be clear to you all.
फर्स्ट हम ड्राफ्टिंग जो हमने किया है, तो ड्राफ्टिंग का आप लोग एक एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे।
And one more thing I just want to add here, that she has told that Manish Malhotra is not a designer. So designer in the sense like he has actually not done any fashion designing course. He himself is a great designer, no doubt, but like on records he is not a designer, right? That's what she is trying to tell. And basically he is an idol, and he has done so much of achievements in design, and in fact we love her designs a lot, right? So
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में
like
फर्स्ट नाम है मनीष मल्होत्रा।
he is one of the most desired designer, not a fashion designer. He is like by profession, but yes, by his work he has developed that kind of skills, that he is one of the most desired person in this industry, right guys? So let us see that how we are going to make the project, because that is also one of a very important
नॉर्मल ही बता रही हूँ,
you can just see.
ओके।
Is it clear to you all? Is it clear to you all? I will send you a reference video. You can see that how the and what how it need to be done. All right, guys. So
मैंने
need
आप
not to
लोगों
worry
को-
about it.
अभी आप लोगों ने फ्रॉक मैंने आप लोगों को सिखाया, ब्लाउजेस सिखाया। तो फर्स्ट फ्रॉक को हमने कैसे, बॉडी को कैसे कट किया, ओके। जस्ट मैं रफ बता रही हूँ, आप लोग को फाइनली करना है। तो ये आपका नेक हो गया, दिस इज शोल्डर, आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है, ये आर्म्स है, दिस इज नेक, दिस इज शोल्डर, ओके। ये आपका योक पार्ट है,
This is the neck, that's the shoulder, that's the yoke part.
ये योक पार्ट है, ये साइड पार्ट है। तो आपको ये आपने ड्रॉ करना है, ओके। आपने यहाँ पे आर्म्स लिख लिया, क्योंकि जब आप एक डिजाइन बना के, सपोज अभी आपने यूं डिजाइन बना लिया और मुझे
See the way we are making the design.
मैंने इसमें कुछ भी मार्किंग नहीं लगाया, मैं सिर्फ ड्रॉ करके बता रही हूँ आपको। तो ये आपने ऐसा डिजाइन बना के मुझे भेज दिया व्हाट्सएप में कि मैडम मैंने ये बनाया है, ये योक पार्ट है, लेकिन मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आएगा ये आर्म्स है या नेक है, ये समझ में नहीं आएगा। तो आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये मेंशन करना है नेक है, तो बस एन लिखिए, एन से समझ में आ जाता है।
See, I hope you guys are understanding. See, if you are making in the project report, what you have to do when you are making a sketch, and for example, if you are making, a neckline, shoulder, armhole, all these kind of thing, so you don't need to mess it up, right? Please don't try to write each and everything out there, so that we could not, because we will be seeing it on, phone, so or on laptop, so it will be difficult for us to see that. So just try to mark it, so that because we are also able to understand what exactly, because if you are writing here n part, we can understand that yes, it's a neck part, and if you are writing on at the curve side that it's a armhole, you can mention AR or something like that. Don't write armhole completely, because if you are writing armhole, it will come up to sleeves. Okay, so
अभी जैसे आप लोगों ने ये बना दिया, अब इसके बारे में आपको यहाँ पे लिखना होगा कि मतलब लेंथ कितना है,
then
और
you
योक
have
पार्ट,
to write the description, what is
Okay.
the length of what you have to consider,
इसके
what
बारे
is
में
the
यहाँ पे लिखना
measurement.
होगा।
Okay,
ऊपर पेपर कौन सा ऊपर है। आप इसके लिए ये कलरफुल पेपर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, मतलब प्रोजेक्ट आपको कैसा बहुत सुंदर बनाना है वो आपके ऊपर ही डिपेंड करता है। इसके लिए कुछ भी ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है कि आपने क्या यूज किया, ब्राउन पेपर भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
anything you want you can use in your project, that shows your creativity, how what you are going to use it, right guys? So that's very important, that what exactly you are
ये
going
same-
to.
ये सेम आपने जो ड्रॉ किया यहाँ पे उसको सेम कट करके यहाँ पे लगाना है। इट्स ओके, आप लोग इस चीज को ध्यान दीजिएगा। इसको
1 minute, it's not in the camera. Yeah, please tell.
ओके, इसको आप लोग ग्लू स्टिक यूज करिएगा, उससे लगाने से क्या होता है।
Do they know what is glue stick?
No.
Do they know?
No.
Are you all aware of what is glue stick?
नो, ग्लू स्टिक नहीं है।
You can use Fevikwik also, Priyanka. That must be there. Yes, you can show it to them.
हाँ,
They can use this also.
ये ओके, लेकिन आप लोग ग्लू स्टिक ही यूज करिएगा। उससे क्या होता है मैं बताती हूँ आप लोगों को।
We have, just for your information, we have created a Facebook page also for IFT, and very soon you will be start getting updates on that. And almost there, it was actually a previous update, and
ये आप लोग देख रहे होंगे। तो ये आपको इसमें हमको ऐसे लगा के देना है। आप चाहे तो बैक में जिप है फ्रॉक में, तो हम इसको वन पार्ट ही लगाएंगे। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको डबल लगाना है। आपका इधर जिधर भी आप प्लेस कर सकते हैं, इसको आप लगा
You
सकते
can
हैं।
place it anywhere the way you want. See, to avoid any sort of confusion, we thought of today taking a class only on project report, so that you guys can understand. You can not only do this with paper, you can use fabric. You can make outfits for small dolls and make this kind of a small project so that you
वो
guys
सब
can
हम लोग
understand.
वो भी बनाना है, लेकिन हम उसको क्या पोर्टफोलियो में बनाएंगे। जैसे आपने फ्रॉक बना दिया, छोटे से डॉल्स बना दिया, उसमें फ्रॉक्स बना दिए, मतलब वो आपकी
Creativity.
या अब ये जो है आपको ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट बना लेना है। तो इसमें क्या होगा, ड्राफ्टिंग का जो भी मैं सिखा रही हूँ, ब्लाउजेस, फ्रॉक, ड्रेस, जो भी मैं बताऊंगी आपको
Whatever
ऐसे।
we are teaching you, please try to make a small piece of it.
This one.
Stick to your one page and make it for your future reference. If you want at one side or the back side of it, that is for your reference. You can write the details. Okay, this is how it need to be done, and if possible, please send in the group that this is what you have done. So if at any given point of time we feel that yes, there is some issues or any rectification is needed, we will also revert back to you with our feedback, with our suggestions. Now she is showing sample for portfolio for project Nitya.
इसमें क्या है कि आप लोग इस चीज को ध्यान रखिएगा, ग्लू स्टिक से लगाइएगा। इसमें ग्लू स्टिक से लगाने से क्या है, पूरे में आपको यूं लगाना। मैं उसको भी मंगा के आप लोगों को वो भी सैंपल दिखाऊंगी। अभी ग्लू स्टिक मेरे पास नहीं है, तो उससे लगाने से क्या होगा, ये लाइफ टाइम तक रहेगा। लाइफ टाइम तक तो कुछ भी नहीं रहता, लेकिन फिर भी ये काफी दिनों तक आप लोग को बहुत अच्छे से रहेगा। आप लोग कभी भी उसको अच्छे से निकाल के पढ़ सकते हो। कुछ भी डाउट हुआ तो आपके पास ये लिखा हुआ रहेगा, तो आप कभी भी कटिंग कर सकते हो, उसमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। तो आप लोग को ये जो भी मैं बोलती हूँ आप लोग उसको लिख लो, और फिर अपने हिसाब से जब प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो तो आप अपने हिसाब से लिखो कि ये नेक है, मैंने इसमें इतना माइनस किया तो हमारा इतना। अभी मैं आपको 1 ईयर बेबी के लिए पढ़ा रही हूँ, 2 साल की भी बताऊंगी। मैं सिर्फ मेजरमेंट दे दूंगी, लेकिन कटिंग आपको करना है, माइनस आपको करना है। कि अगर
what she's trying to tell you guys is, like, we are just trying to show you the samples, right? Finalization you guys have to do it, right? And based on that you have to make this kind of work based on, so that we can evaluate you, right? How how your work is, and what kind of are you guys understanding it or not, and is there anything which is needed for you people, so we can really understand that and rectify it. Video is stuck. Is it stuck to everybody or only to Priyanka? Is it stuck to everybody or stuck to Priyanka? It's clear? Please check Priyanka your video. Very okay, all right.
आप लोग इसको चाहे तो ब्लैक मार्कर से भी इसको कर सकते हैं।
Wait guys, wait.
ब्लैक से करें तो थोड़ा अच्छा दिखेगा, मतलब आपके ऊपर
If
डिपेंड
you
करता
do
है।
it with black, it will instead of using pencil, if you use black marker or anything, that will give clear visibility and we can understand that. Okay.
तो इससे क्या होगा, जो मैं बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि आपके ऊपर सडनली नहीं आना कि अभी ये बनाना है मुझे। जो मैं बता रही हूँ आप लोगों को वीकली उसको पूरा रेडी कर देना है, और मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि आप लोग मंडे को पूरा हमको भेजने के लिए, मतलब आप व्हाट्सएप करें तो इसके लिए बस है, व्हाट्सएप करिए और इसके ऊपर ये ट्रेस पेपर लगा रहना चाहिए। दूसरा आप लोगों को ये समझ में
Wait. They're not able to see. Yeah.
ओके। अगर ये रहेगा तो इससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, थोड़ा देखने में खूबसूरत दिखेगा।
If what she is trying to tell is the
आपकी मर्जी है, आप लगा भी
you
सकते हैं,
can
नहीं
just
भी
show it
लगा।
to them once more. You can just show it to them once more. See, if you are making any this thing, any sketch of any design or anything, please try to use this Abri paper one sheet which is available readily in the market, so that the impression of that design will not, because you are using colors, you are using so many things, right? So that will not affect on other things, right? So whenever you are making, anything, so that covers that. So she is suggesting you to use that kind of book, so it will give a
मैंने
durability
आप
to
लोगों
your
को
project.
एवरी सीट बताया था, तो मतलब क्या सब लोगों ने परचेज किया नहीं
Priyanka,
किया?
show them the book. It's Pro Sketch actually, which is called Pro Sketch A4 book with butter paper. You can use that with butter paper on any good stationery shop. You will get it. Okay, Pro Sketch, Pro Sketcher, which comes with butter paper.
आता है, इसका
You
बिग
can see
साइज में
that.
आएगा।
This is a smaller one. We have a bigger one also. I'll show that to you. Probably it
नहीं
is
है।
not with the. I'll show you that it's not with the butter paper, right? So
आपको जो आप लोगों ने एवरी सीट ले लिया, सबने एवरी सीट लिया।
have you all purchased this average sheet once?
अगर एवरी सीट आप लोगों ने ले लिया, तो ये जो मैं आप लोगों को फ्रॉक्स और ये ब्लाउजेस जो मैं बता रही हूँ आप लोगों को, प्लीज आप एवरी सीट पे एक एक बनाते रहिए। उसको फाइल में आप A4 फाइल में रख सकते हैं उसको, जिससे वो सेफ रहेगा। और लास्ट में जब आप लोग का ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा हो जाता है, तो आप लोग ऐसा बुक्स बनवा सकते हैं। दिस वन
Wait, I'm telling you.
एवरी सीट
I don't know what is the problem, Priyanka.
मैं क्या बोल रही थी?
Well, there was some problem, guys. So due to that, video got stuck actually.
मैं ये बता रही थी कि जो भी इन लोगों ने बना रहे हैं, तो एवरी सीट पे बनाएं।
Anything which you guys are making, what is average sheet? Once you show them,
फर्स्ट दिखाए थे ना,
show them again what is there.
एक पेपर था ऊपर से, average sheet। वन पीस निकालते हैं।
I am showing you the sheet on which you guys have to make it. Again, I will show that to
ये
you.
आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये एवरी सीट
See,
है।
whenever we are making anything, whenever we are making any project report, please try to make on, this is called ivory sheet.
जैसे
Okay.
ये ड्राफ्टिंग का है,
This
इसमें
is,
भी कर
don't
सकते
draw it on A4 paper. It will get torn off, right?
हैं। ये बहुत थिक होता है।
This is thick paper. Can you all see this paper? Can you all see this paper?
आप एवरी सीट मार्केट में बोले तो वो लोग देंगे। जो नॉर्मल बच्चे लोग प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं उस पे, नॉर्मल चार्ट पेपर जिसको बोलते हैं, तो ये लेकिन उसका
See,
सेम रहता है, लेकिन थोड़ा अलग रहता है।
there are three options on which this is the best option, right? And one is this A4 paper which is readily available in the market, right? Which is ready in my printer. You can see this, but don't use that. It's not suggestible because
paper
that
होता है
will.
ना?
It's a normal paper. It is. It will get torn off, right?
ये थिक होता है।
And second
इसमें-
option is the ready chart paper which is readily available in the market. That
चार्ट
will,
पेपर
that
पे
is
क्या
also
होता है?
very thick,
इसका?
thin.
उसमें कलर अच्छे नहीं आते हैं। आप इस पे जब कलर
See,
करोगे तो
when
बहुत
the advantage of using this is when you are using to
This one.
use the colors, no, on
And
this, it comes very clear. So that is what the advantage of using this
और
ivory sheets.
जब हम
This is
इसको
called ivory
शेड डालते
sheets.
हैं,
This is called ivory sheets. Okay, guys.
जब हम इस पे शेडिंग डालते हैं, तो इसकी मतलब जो इसकी शाइनिंग है बहुत खूबसूरत आती है। तो हम लोगों ने देखा होगा, आप लोगों ने जो मैंने
See,
आपको
you
पिक्चर
can
दिया था,
you all can see
पूरा एवरी
that
शीट पे बना हुआ है।
whatever drafting is being done, that is being done on ivory sheets. You can see this. Can you all see this?
पूरा एवरी शीट पे है।
Yeah. So like whatever
इस
the
तरह से आप लोग मतलब इसके लिए आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो।
Yes.
आप डेली एक पेपर पे इसको 1/4 कट करना है। 1/4 कट करने के बाद आप लोग एक एक जो मैंने ये आज बताया,
see Priyanka, you cut them in front of. No
नहीं
problem.
कट कर सकते ना, ये खराब हो जाता है।
What? Sorry?
इसकी कटिंग अलग होती है, हम इसको सीजर से नहीं कट कर सकते। और ये आप लोगों को खुद कट करना है, ना कि मार्केट में मिल रहा है, मार्केट से परचेज कर लिए A4 साइज एवरी शीट।
Why?
वही इसलिए कि ये लोग कटिंग सीख रहे हैं। आप लोग अगर आप लोग पेपर ही बराबर नहीं कट करोगे तो फैब्रिक कैसे कट करोगे? इसलिए फर्स्ट आप लोगों को ये पेपर कट करना है खुद से। ओके,
इस पे रख के कट करो। See, we are going to show you how we are going to. It's not nothing but like we are going to just explain you how we have to cut this ivory sheet. Okay, so just make sure that for making project you guys are using ivory sheets.
आपको संडे को क्या करना है?
For this is the task for your Sunday, right?
Sunday आप लोगों को क्या करना है?
Sunday guys.
12 पीसेस ले लीजिए एवरी शीट का, उसको
ठीक।
पूरा A4 साइज में कट करिए।
Take 12 pieces of ivory sheets, okay, and make it in A4 size, right? Make it in A4 size. Take a scale, okay? Guys, is it visible to you all? Yes.
वो एक स्केल है ना, पेपर कटर होगा आप लोगों के पास।
Please take this kind of paper cutter with you. Don't cut it with the scissor. Why don't cut it with the scissor? Can anybody tell? क्या कोई बताएगा कि इसको सीजर से क्यों नहीं कट करना है? Anybody can tell why this ivory sheet we don't need to cut with scissor or with this help of paper cutter? This is called paper cutter actually. Okay? So tell me guys why we should not use scissor for this? Please explain if anybody knows. Any one of you?
ओके,
क्यों?
क्या
Why we should not cut it with
हम
scissor?
सीजर से इस पेपर को इसलिए नहीं कट कर सकते, ये बहुत हार्ड होता है। फर्स्ट थिंग, अगर आप सीजर लगाएंगे तो ये टेढ़ा हो जाता है, क्रॉस। हमें
Straight.
इसको क्रॉस नहीं रखना है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट रखना है, ताकि आपका डिजाइन भी स्ट्रेट आना। इसलिए हम इसमें ये क्या होता है, ये स्केल यूज करना है, मतलब इसमें
Aluminum scale.
या ये स्केल यूज करना है। इससे क्या होगा, आपको फर्स्ट तो मार्किंग लगा लेना है और यूं कटर को रखना है।
Can you see this? This
It's
is
okay.
the way we need to cut it. All right, steel scale, metal scale. It's not only a plastic
कुछ भी ले लो,
scale.
प्लास्टिक स्केल नहीं ले लो,
Don't
क्योंकि
take a plastic scale because we are using cutter for this, and there are chances of getting a slip and you know.
ये आप लोग अगर इसको ऐसे रखोगे, ऐसे कट करोगे तो ये
Please.
उंगलियों पे भी आ सकता है। इट्स ओके।
So safety is very important. So you should use a metal scale, right?
बहुत टाइट पकड़ना है इसको, इस चीज को ध्यान दीजिएगा। ये इसको बहुत टाइट रखना है।
You have to hold it very tight. You have to put little energy, take little Glucon-D and use it, right? So now,
तो ये आपका
can you all see this? Can you all see this? How a paper is ready for one sheet is ready for your project.
इसमें आपको क्या करना है, संडे सबको
1 minute. Please tell them. Yes.
संडे 12 पीसेज आपको लेना है एडी शीट का। इसको A4 साइज में कट करना है। एक पेपर में मेरे ख्याल से
कितना आएगा? यू कट देम ऑल, कट कर
नो,
देम।
ये ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट है।
ओके।
तो इसमें 4 पीसेज आते हैं। अब मुझे इतना याद नहीं है, मैं भी काफी दिन हो गया पढ़े, तो आप लोग चेक कर लेना उसमें। तो 4 पीसेज आते हैं, तो आप लोग उसमें से फर्स्ट में निकाल देना है। साइड के जो छोटे पीस बचते हैं वो भी आपको यूज आएंगे जब आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे, तो उसमें कुछ छोटे छोटे पीसेज लगाने होते हैं। वेस्टेज बिल्कुल नहीं करना, क्योंकि यही एक डिजाइनर का होता है।
First thing, see what she's trying to tell you guys is please try to cut it in a A4 size and try to use the maximum possible. First take a ivory sheet, right? And first check like what is the maximum. See, there is no boundation. If you have remember, there is no boundation. Like it's not necessary that you have to take it as a A4 only. If it is little half inch short and you are getting 2-3 pieces extra, I recommend to use that, right? Instead of just for the sake of taking it A4 size, you are wasting 3 ivory sheets.
आप लोग एक डिजाइनर बनने जा रहे हो, तो आप लोग छोटे छोटे भी चीजों को कैसे यूज कर लेना है वो दिखाना है। वो हमें कब दिखाना है? जब लास्ट में आप लोग एक डिजाइनर बन जाओगे।
If you guys see, you guys are going to be a designer, so first thing what you have to keep in mind that you have to be very cost conscious, right? You should not waste anything in terms of like the fabrics are really very costly in the market, and you are not supposed to waste the fabric, which is really precious, right? And if you're taking a meter of fabric, try to use the maximum. Use your brain, use your mind, how you are going to use the max out of it, right? So that's what is really important, and this is just what we are trying to tell you guys is there is no compulsion that it should be a A4 paper. That's one thing, right? Normally we say it's take it in a A4 paper, but if it is half inch short, nothing will happen, right guys? But the thing is, you should not waste the paper. Am I clear to everybody? Please message in the chat box if I'm clear to you all.
आप लोगों को ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट बनाने हैं, जो भी मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ कंटिन्यू आप 1 वीकली बनाते रहिए। सैटरडे संडे आप लोग आराम से फ्री रहते, तो आप लोग अच्छे से बना के मुझे हर वीकली एक दिखाए, तो मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हो। सिर्फ डिजाइन बनाने से नहीं होता, क्योंकि उसको भी आप लोगों को रेडी करना है।
See guys, we are doing study from Monday to Friday, right? 2 days we are not having our classes, so make sure these 2 days you guys are going to use it for your projects, for your daily works. I know you all are busy with your home, but please I request you all to please take out some of your time to that will really help you guys. We are not going to get anything out of it, right? See, you guys are, it's not about spending X amount in this class. It's about the time which you guys are investing, and not only your time, even our time. We will be very happy like if you guys are going to if you guys have noticed or not, really guys, I'm really happy the way Ratnam is doing the works. Honestly, I'm really happy to announce here that you guys have observed that Ratnam is not attending class also. That sort of busy she is, because she is already now busy in operating his business, and as I told you that she has already taken our franchisee, and now she till now 10-15 days has over, and she has done business with us of above ₹2 lakh. This is just an announcement which I just want to tell you people. She has almost crossed ₹2 lakh business with us, right? So this is just what I just want to tell you guys, and so I hope I'm clear to you all. So please focus on the learnings, what you guys are learning. It's not only just because of it's not only attending class, but what you are learning and how you are going to use that thing in a practical manner, that also matters a lot. Anyway, instead coming back to the class,
डाउट है तो आप लोग
right?
मतलब
So
व्हाट्सएप में पूछ सकते हैं, कभी भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों के लिए हर चीज फ्री रखी, कभी भी आप क्वेश्चन कर
anything
सकते
you guys want, please message in the WhatsApp. Please
2-3 मेंबर्स इज ओके, पूछते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ सब लोग पूछे, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं कभी भी उसको रिवर्ट करूंगी कि आप लोग ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना है, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना है।
Okay, be
So please-
discussion oriented, and even here also, you know, if you guys are having any sort of problem, please revert back. I am having this issue. I am just now. Tejaswini has sent me. I know Priyanka Ore. I am trying to find it out. Don't worry at all. I will send that to you. Previous videos. I am. In fact, you know, you can't believe that we have worked so much on our. Not only previous videos, we have uploaded almost. I'll share you the
प्रियंका
link
को
of
कौन
my
बोल रही हो?
Facebook page also, the IFT, and we have uploaded almost 50 to 60 videos on there. So we are working only on videos now, and that we have taken it up on priority. And today, just because of that, we have, you know, like I'll tell you guys. So let's concentrate on the class. It will be, you know, really this thing. 1
इसमें
minute video. I will taking. I'm 100% taking care of. Please guys concentrate on the class now.
तो अभी तो ये सबको समझ में आ गया होगा कि मतलब कैसे बनाना है प्रोजेक्ट को। एवरी शीट ले लिया, सेम ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट बना लीजिए जिसमें ओके। ये स्टिक बराबर होना चाहिए, जैसे ये निकल रहा है ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने फेविकोल से लगाया। आप लोग प्लीज ग्लू से लगाइए। बहुत नीट होना चाहिए। आप लोग डेली वीकली करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको आप बाद में चाहे तो ऐसा बुक्स बाइंड करा सकते हैं, जो कि मार्केट में होता है। आप लोग का प्रोजेक्ट बनने के बाद उसको बाद में बाइंडेड करा सकते हैं, तो ये रेडी हो जाएगा आपका एक बुक्स। लेकिन अभी आप लोग एक एक शीट पे बनाते रहिए।
Make on the sheet, right? And once that sheet is ready, then you can get it, you know, like there is in the market, they will the binders will take around 50-100 rupees, and they will bind it like this, you know. So that will form as a project report end of the day, right? You guys understand what I'm trying to tell you? You guys understand what I'm saying now? Hope I'm clear to you. Yes. See, please understand, you guys are doing a fashion designing course, which is honestly, myself and Priyanka both have done the fashion designing, but these things we have not been taught there also. To be honest, these are our practical experiences, what we are sharing with you, the important things which what we have learned there, and what we have learned with our experience, we are trying to give you all, right, with so that end of the day you guys can use it. Instead of in our designing classes, most of our, you know, are theoretical classes. What is fashion? What in old days what was happening? How this fashion comes? Is it really relevant? So we have thought and come back and, you know, with a 6-month practical, which is really needed course. What is designing, how the sketching is done, how the drafting is done, how the pattern making is going to be made. So which is really needed to open a boutique. You must know to design it. For if you are going to design a dress, what is the thing which is really needed? Alright, so these are the things which is really needed to become a designer. What is happening in old days, is it really important? What we are going to do with that? So I'm not against the education, but I'm just saying that instead of taking irrelevant things, we should focus on relevant thing which is really needed in the market. And the second thing what we are is about the, you know, charges, the fee what they are charging. You guys are paid very minimum amount. We are paid around 3 to 5 lakh rupee, right, to learn these things. But honestly, we could not. What we learned is with our own experiences, with the YouTube videos, with, you know, all this expertise, all these. So let's focus. I just you know, when okay, fine. So coming back to our project. So first you have to, step one is you have to take on Sunday, what you guys have to do, you have to take the ivory sheet,
और
cut it in the pieces, and start making project report. Anybody is having any confusion in project report, please message, we will right away clear it.
ओके, आपको ये भी सेम बनाना है, जो भी मैंने आप लोगों को स्केचिंग बताया है, स्केचिंग में भी आप लोगों को सेम बनाना है, वैसे ही सेम A4 ये सीट ले लीजिए या ऐसा बुक्स, आपकी मर्जी, जो भी आप बनाएंगे वो सिर्फ आपकी मर्जी रहेगी, आपका ओन डिजाइन रहेगा। तो आप लोग जैसा भी करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन प्रोजेक्ट नीट होना चाहिए, उसमें कुछ थोड़ा डिफरेंट दिखना चाहिए कि मैम मैंने ऐसा बनाया।
Anything which is unique, which is, see, you guys have done so many sketches, right? You guys have sent me when we need to submit the project report at the end of the class, at the end of the course, right? I'll tell you the timing. Please keep making. We'll be coming back to you. We'll be letting you know when you guys have to submit. Please use technology. 1 minute. Please use technology. That is the most important thing now. Two, if you want to do business, technology is going to play a major role. Technology is going to play a major role, honestly, because now everything is online, almost everything. So guys, please, it is my humble request to you all, please be technology friendly. For those who are really friendly, it's really good, but there are few who are not pretty friendly with the technology. I request you all to please, even I am not that much technology friendly, but still I'm keep learning, I'm learning because it is going to help us a lot. Are you all agreed to me on this? Are you all agreed to me on this? We have to do all our project report. 1 minute, let me see what you are messaging. Chat, let me open. Exactly, sir, I strongly agree. Right, we have to do all our project only in this average sheet itself. That's true, guys. Right, so please make sure that we are using, you can't believe, guys, that with this lockdown, I'm just telling you guys a small story. With this lockdown, people are saying we don't have business, we are now we don't have business. If the courier is working, we are on. We have 6 masters, 50 hand workers, and around 15 admin team, those who are working almost 9 hours, very hard to satisfy the customer's need. Almost 800 to 900 queries we are getting, almost 80 to 90 orders per day we are dispatching. Please understand the importance of online. We have shifted almost 2 to 3 years back online, and that kind of response we have got. I really appreciate this technology, honestly. Honestly, my whole business is running on technology, guys.
जब हम लोगों ने सीखा तो बहुत सारे पैसे वेस्ट हुए। जैसे लेसेस का प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, आप क्या कर सकते हैं उसे बना के, ये तो प्रोजेक्ट समझ में आता है कि मैं जो पढ़ाई आप लोगों ने बनाया इसको यूज होता है, लेकिन लेस, हम लोगों ने लेस का भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाया। मार्केट में कितने सारे लेस हैं, उसको सबको परचेज करना, उसका रेट लिखना। क्या वही लेस अभी तक चल रहा है? नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने उसको बनाया क्योंकि हमारे जो मैम थे उन्होंने बनाया। लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहती उन सब में आपको लोग का टाइम वेस्ट हो, मैं चाहती हूँ उसके बीच में आप लोग और अच्छा क्या बना सकते हो, और मैं और इजीली आप लोगों को क्या बता सकती हूँ। बहुत इजी तरीके से मैं बताने की कोशिश करती हूँ, मैं खुद उसको समझती हूँ तब आप लोगों को बताती हूँ कि आप लोग को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्योंकि मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रही हूँ और मैं बहुत इजी तरीके से बताने की कोशिश करती हूँ। इसलिए मैं बार बार पूछती हूँ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप लोग प्लीज बताइए।
So hope you all are understanding. Please, we are just trying to give the conclusion of all what we have learned. The summary what we have, the learning what we have gathered throughout all our courses with our experiences, we are trying to share with you the summary of that so that you guys can be benefited with that and you can explore yourself, right? So coming to our project now, that you have to make it on average sheet, relevant project. You don't have to stick to the videos what we are telling you, what we are showing you. You have to use your brain, you have to use your mind. check internet, use the power of internet to understand and better in a better manner as well, and try to grab the knowledge, try to grab the designs, try to gather the information and put it on ivory sheet, so that that will be of record for yourself, so that in future you can refer to that. All right guys.
मैं चाहती हूँ और जो भी फ्रॉक के कुछ और भी आप लोग को डिजाइन आपको लग रहा है कि इसका कटिंग आपको बताना है, तो प्लीज उस डिजाइन को पहले सेलेक्ट करिए, डिजाइन को ड्रॉ करिए और फिर मैं उसके बारे में आप लोग बताऊँ, क्योंकि मेरे जो समझ में आ रहा है मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ। तो मैं चाहती हूँ जिस तरह से आप लोग ब्लाउज के लिए क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, तो प्लीज फ्रॉक के लिए भी वैसा क्वेश्चन करिए कि आप लोगों को कौन सा कटिंग और बताना है।
See, if now we are taking the class for this frock, so please concentrate on frock as of now. Don't deviate yourself from one topic to another topic. So because in between only this project report has 2 blouse designs. Hey, please bata dena. Okay, all right, we'll tell you, not a problem. This is just a off shoulder blouse guys, and we'll tell you, not a problem. All right, so we'll come back to you again, don't worry at all. We are here. Don't think that we are here only for 6 months. If you are attached with us now, you are a kind of family to us. You can anytime ask us the questions, and we are here to help you all guys. Okay, don't worry that your course is going to finish in 6 months. After that you cannot ask anything, after that you cannot be in touch with us, any sort of thing. You can ask us anytime. After 2 years, after 3 years, just message us. Sir, I want this, I want, ma'am, I need this help. Anytime we are available to help you all guys. Alright, don't worry at all, specifically related to timings. Okay, we are also little busy, as you know that we are designers and we run a boutique also. So there is a possibility that that's the reason we have shifted the timing as well, so that we can give more timing to you. We can give you more time. So that please take out some of your time and to understand that, and make sure that we are going to tell you all what we know at least, and what we don't know definitely we cannot tell you, and still we will also try to learn that and tell you that also, right? So coming back to the project report again. So you have to make it only on, sir, already have you finished blouse part? No, we will be finishing it up. We'll be telling you all. Don't worry at all. Okay? Don't worry at all. There is nothing called finished here. Okay? So
ब्लाउज फिनिश नहीं हुआ है.
We'll tell you guys, don't worry. Okay? So now coming back to the project report again. Any doubt in project report, don't deviate from this topic to that topic. Please concentrate on this project report. Let us complete step by step. Okay? This project report, and today class will be uploaded today itself. You can see it. I'll send you the link. Right? So need not to worry about it. We'll be uploading today's class today itself. So that's how we have planned, and we are going to, because so you hope you all are understood with this project report. Anybody is having any doubt in this, please message.
जो इन लोगों ने, मैं फ्रॉक का भी स्केचिंग सेम ऐसे ही प्रोजेक्ट में बनाना है. अभी क्या बताऊँ, ब्लाउज फ्रॉक का कुछ पैटर्न.
Any other model which you want us to sketch, if you have any, please send it to us right away. We will be making that for you. Any, so that we can show you how the in project you are going to take it up. Any model, I want you to send us the model. Sure, I will do that. Don't worry at all. Okay? So just let me know how, okay, any other designs which you want us to you know, make it for you people, so that you can, anything which you want us to send to make for you people, please. I see, it's not about just myself talking, right? Please ask questions related to project. You have any doubts, how you are going to do this, if you have any problem, okay, please ask, so that we can
एक अम्ब्रेला कटिंग है, एक रफल्स है, 2 कटिंग था जो मैंने बताया। उसके अलावा कुछ और पैटर्न्स,
umbrella cutting is done,
आपको कुछ
frills
और
is
आप लोगों ने
done.
डिजाइन सेलेक्ट किया।
Anything which is needed, please let me know. Any exclusive pattern you guys that came across and you want to learn that, especially in terms of frock and this project, please ask now. Anita is saying, please explain ruffle. Are you guys agreed to it that we should take the ruffle class again? Are you guys agreed to that? Priyanka Hore question is, ma'am, overlapping design. Priyanka Hore, can you send any
ओवरलैप
example of it, Priyanka Hore? Alright, we will take ruffle class again. No, don't worry. Okay. Anything else which you want? What you will send, Priyanka Hore, please send. If you have any, please send it to us, so that we can, show it to all of you now. Any questions? If you guys want to ask, let me come on live. Let me come on live, guys, with you people, so that we can talk on any sort of thing, right? 1 minute. Let me come live to you people. And any questions? 1 minute. Just be with us for 2 minutes. Let me set the camera once. Yes. Right. इनका थोड़ा सा उधर चलो। So guys, are we clear now to you all? Are we clear now to you all? Okay, so any other queries, any other questions which you guys want to ask with us, right? So we can give you the solution in terms of making project, in terms of like any issues except timing, right? Please, let's focus on core subject now, right? This is the kind of problem you guys are facing in understanding the issues, in solving in making project especially. If you guys have any issues, please let us know, so we can resolve it. Like I agree that you guys are having some issues, like not getting proper videos. That we are already addressing it, and we are assuring you that it will be solved probably maybe by today night itself, right? And apart from this, any other issues you guys are having, please message in the chat box itself, or if you want, I can talk to you also one by one, so that we can you know, try to understand your concerns, your problems, and see, project report is a very important segment of any designing, right, course. And if you are going to submit that, then only your work can be evaluated. Am I clear to you all? Please message in the chat box if I'm clear to you. All right. So the intention behind telling you people to make the project report is only for your future references, for your evaluations. That will help us to make sure. And Priyanka's, just a small announcement that Priyanka's certificate is ready. Probably in tomorrow's class we will be showing you that certificate, and we'll be dispatching it tomorrow. All right, guys. And sorry, Priyanka.
Address?
Yeah, that's with us. That's not a problem. All right, guys. So that's one thing. Let me explain you again the complete project report process. That how you are going to. There are two things. One thing is those who are not that much technology friendly, please use why I'm telling you have to use technology. I'll show you one thing, the way we design our dresses, we design our projects. Let me show you that how we are using technology to show designs to our client. That sketching is also nowadays old, and it's an old concept. Now if you go in US or any other, because a few of you are from US also, so you all must be knowing. Show me that Wacom. Let me show you this. See, this is a tablet. Okay, this is a tablet, guys. Can you all see this? Okay. See, I hope everybody is aware about this tablet. Anybody knows what is this? This comes with this pen. This comes with this pen, guys. Nitya, you are having this? Okay, that's cool then. If you are aware about it, that's pretty cool. So you must be knowing the use of it. Guys, please try using this if you can afford it, right? That's one thing. If you guys can afford it, please try using this. It will give you an edge to other designers. All right? Can you understand? Can you all see it again? This is a Wacom tablet. Okay, Kalyani, that's cool that you are also having it. It's normally used to design and make sure that it's being connected to your system, like either with your laptop or it's Bluetooth enabled, so you can use it either with your lap or your Mac or anything. So you are supposed to use this if you can afford it, right? And if you guys want us, we'll make a video for this, how to use this, and you guys can really use this. It's really helpful, guys. Okay, and we use this to sketch bridal outfits and other things, to send it, because it can directly come in your system, and with this you can send it directly to your clients, right? So that sort of easiness it brings, and it gives minute detailing to the outfit, to the sketch, I'm sorry. All right, so this is all about Wacom use. So the use of technology in designing, that's what I was just trying to tell you guys with this. Okay, so the complete intention behind telling you all this is, be with the technology. Be with the technology, it will help you guys. All right, and the kind of, see, if you are not having this, please make your report on this in Ivory Sheet, and file it with you. and send it to us. We will evaluate it, and if at all any issues, we will be giving our feedback, our remarks on it, that this is where you guys have done the mistake, this is really good, this is not up to the standard, or any sort of feedback, which application you're using to. I'll send you all the details, Kalyani, you need not to worry about it. Alright, I'll send you all the details on in the personal window. So, okay, and so let us concentrate here, especially on the project. My intention of showing you this Wacom is just to make sure that you guys are, if you guys have it, please use it for your project, right? So that you can really understand the value of it. If you have it, please try to use it for your project. And if you are not having it, no worries. It is just a sketching tool, okay? So and this pen, it is almost going to help you like a mouse, right? So it is nothing but a tool which you are having. Use it. If you don't have it, no worries. You can still use you can use the traditional method, the way we used to do sketch, and at the time when we are learning. Okay guys, so I just want to tell you people that project report plays a very important role if you are going, for example, for any job also, right? If you're going to apply for a job as a designer in any organization, we are getting almost 20 to 30 applications per day to get a job as a designer. But like 1 minute, try unlimited. 1 minute. हो गया पूरा क्लास.
हाँ
रुको, there is some problem. एक दिन का कल क्लास का मिसिंग डाल दे. Am I audible and visible, guys?
no
No. From my end, it is we are visible and audible. Radhika, no. What is the problem? Yes. Please check your internet connection, guys. Please check your internet connection. We are pretty audible and visible, I think. Please check your internet connection. Are we audible now, guys? Are we audible now? Yes. So okay guys, so now I understand that we are audible, so nothing to write much. Okay, thank you very much. So coming back to our this project report again. Alright, so after this we'll not covering this project report part. Guys, please make sure what we are telling you. Let me summarize it once again, that what we have told you today is just because of the queries we have been asked, right? That regarding the project report, we thought to take it as a class today and make sure that I thought that you guys are aware about this project report, so we have not covered it up. But now we understand that it's also important to tell you guys that the importance of project report, so we have taken this class and we have tried to explain our best. That's how the project has to be made. And from starting, please use number 1, ivory sheets. I hope that you all will get it on any of the stationery shop which is nearby you. Okay, and now probably the lockdown part is also very, it's not much, so you guys can easily get this ivory sheets in the market, right guys? So please take ivory sheet. This is the task for your Sunday and Saturday weekends. Please take ivory sheet, go to any store, take a ivory sheet, cut it the way Priyanka has told. Don't use scissors for that. Please use paper cutter. Please, if you don't have a paper cutter, please purchase it from the market, right? It will help you out. Please have a good scissor. The glue stick what Priyanka was suggesting, that is also very good for sticking the things what, and not only with newspaper, right? So you don't have to sit personally only to make projects, right? Whenever we are taking the class from tomorrow onwards, please, you know, be in the class, keep your scissors and a paper and pen with you, and paper cutter and all these things which is needed normally for like A4 sheets and ivory sheets. So keep it with you, and try to do practical things along with class itself, and try to share it in the groups what we have created. I hope you all are in the groups, right? So please share in the groups so that it comes to us, right? And all our students, your colleagues, your friends are in the group, they can also see that the way you are making it. And in case there is some problem, in case there is some issue in this, we can give our feedback so you can rectify it. All right, so the intention behind making a project report, again I am reminding you people, is only that there is nothing advantage to us, right? It will help you people only to refer anytime whenever you need it. First thing. Second thing is, whenever for your evaluation, that is a must. So because how much you have, for example, I'm just giving an example that you all have sketched and sent us the designs, right? If it would have been on ivory sheet, that you can file it for your project, all right? And even if you have done it on a paper, you can do that, that's not a problem. See, our intention is not to, it has to be only an ivory sheet. If you are not getting it, please don't stop working, please continue your work, right? Make a kind of a compilation of all the work which you have done, make a note of it, and make sure that whenever you need it, like the way we have created a YouTube channel, whatever, I'll show you people the way we are, we are taking the class. One of my team members is doing the recording of it, and because, like, for example, we have faced this issue that the recording is not coming properly, so we have delegated that task to one of my person, and he is doing that. So we have to make sure that things are happening in the right direction. And even if for the project, whatever we are making, that is in a separate file, which is in a safe place, not like kids are playing with that. There are few of you who are mother, who are of kids, so it should not be in the reach of kids, so that they can spoil it, they can tear it off, or any sort of thing. I hope you all agree with me, especially on this. Are you guys agreed to me on this? So, and see, देखिए, मेरा कहने का सिर्फ इतना मतलब है कि आप जब प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट को बना रहे हैं तो आप उसको सुरक्षित रखिए, प्लीज कीप इट सेफ, राइट? सो any time when you need it, you have to refer. For example, after 2 months you want to cut an umbrella frock, because every time you cannot remember, right? We as a designer, we are working for the last 20 years, but there are some things which we have to refer to our projects, right? What we have done around 18-20 years back, that we have to go and refer that, okay, this is what the problem which we need to solve like this. All right, guys? So we have to understand the importance of that. That's a kind of it's a note for us, right? Whenever we want, we can refer to it, and videos will be obviously there for you. See, don't depend on somebody else that my videos are, there might be a technical issue and my videos are deleted from the page, right? So I'm not saying, please don't depend on somebody else. You are learning the things, please make your own this thing, like your own compilation of all the information which you have gathered from us, right? So that will help you guys a lot. So hope I am clear with this project report today, and I have told you the importance of that, how you are going to be benefited with that in future. All right, if you are going to make this as a career option that will help you guys a lot. It may be in terms of opening a boutique, or if you're going to do a job somewhere, definitely it's going to help you out, right? So guys, this is what is the importance of the project report, and it is really valuable. It's really valuable. Any other questions which you guys want to ask in terms of project report, please ask. We are here to answer that.
डिजाइन सेलेक्ट करना फ्रॉक का, कल कटिंग उसका बता।
Okay. Tell me guys. Again, Anita, you came to frills. I am saying you have to ask me the project. I will tell frills. Don't worry at all. I will tell you frills. I know if you want, I will give you a separate video. I'll make a video. I'll tell my person to make a separate video and send that to you. Don't worry about videos now, at least, right, guys? Please ask me anything which is relevant with the project report, right? Anything which is relevant with the project report, please ask me so that I can answer to that. अगर आपको प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछिए अभी, सो दैट कि हम आपको उस चीज के बारे में बता सकें। थोड़ा सा हिंदी में प्रॉब्लम हो जाता हमको। सो लाइक आई कैन टेल यू द एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ सोल्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, राइट गाइज? एनीथिंग रेलेवेंट टू प्रोजेक्ट। Raffles tomorrow, I don't think it is. Are you all agreed? Like, shall we take raffle class tomorrow again? Because there is a lot of query from you people. The time we asked, several times we have asked that raffle is over, but still I think there is some problem.
जरूरत है तो कल बता देंगे।
Tell me, guys. Yes, I want. Okay, Radhika also want. All right. Anybody else, guys? Okay, Priyanka, Hore, Manogna, everybody wants raffle class. Okay. All right, no problem. We will take raffle class tomorrow. Okay, guys, don't worry at all.
कुछ और डिजाइन है तो
Any other designs you have mind? You know, especially now, take raffle class as a raffle thing as a subject. Okay, and come up with your points in terms of raffle. Please stick to raffles now. Okay, what topic we are discussing? Please stick to one topic. Yoke patterns are okay. I will tell yoke pattern also tomorrow. Okay, can we do one thing? Whatever we want to see, make it more interactive in terms of I teaching you, you are learning. It will not yield you result, right? End of the day. So make it more interactive and see, we are a kind of, you have to take out from us. Alright, because if we are making it like our old fashioned classes, what will happen? What we know we will teach and we'll go. But what we want is what you want to know, what we know we will definitely tell you. But if you want to know something, please ask so that we can tell you, right? And we are talking on terms of topic wise. Like for example, today the topic was project report. We were discussing on project report, right? So, and we will talk about the next topic which we are going to cover it up tomorrow also. Like for example, ruffle frock we are going to cover tomorrow. Okay, description same page में लिखना है. See, Priyanka Hore or Priyanka Sadasi, who was there? Let me see who is there. Chat. Priyanka Hore. Okay. So description. Wherever you have, I told you, as a designer, you are not supposed to waste anything. It should look beautiful. First thing, it should be, it should look like project report. Wherever you are finding a space, please use that. There is nothing specific called you have to do it here, right? You have to do it here. You have to do it here. There is nothing called like that. Please use the maximum average sheet which you can use, right? It should look beautiful. It should be written in a very clear manner, so that if anybody, because after 6 months, if you are going to see that, at least you can understand what you have written. All right, Priyanka Hore, am I clear? मैं clear हूँ प्रियंका होरे, आपके समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला आपको अभी? ठीक है, तो intention behind. Please send referral video for power. 1 minute, there was some issue. Just a minute, guys. It is going PowerPoint presentation. I will show you. I will send you. Not a problem. Okay, I'll send you a referral video also. Need not to worry about it. And I'll send you I have already sent it to few of people. Anybody is having it? Anybody is having it? That the project report video. Anybody is having it? Anybody in the class is having that video?
No.
Aditi is not having. No. K. Kumar is not having. Nitya?
No.
I think she must be having.
No, sir.
Anita, don't have it. Kalyani. Okay.
वीडियो किसको दे रहे?
I have sent it to any one of them.
Okay.
I have sent it. I remember. I will check. You guys are not keeping the things properly. I will check whom I have sent it. I will check it. Don't worry. Okay. And the whom I have sent it, I will request that lady. Yeah, Priyanka Motkar. I have, sir. Please forward in the group. Don't. I have to see. See, I am having it. I have sent it to somebody, but I don't remember where. Please, Priyanka Motkar,
Yes.
send it if you have. Please. Thank you very much, Priyanka. Radhika भी हाथ उठा दी. Priyanka Hore is also having. See.
Okay.
Sure,
Done.
Manogna, I will tell you vertical ruffles. That's a very important thing Manogna has told. Vertical ruffles, how it need to be made, right? So we'll cover it up tomorrow. Please, if I forgot, please let me know, guys. All right? Please, I will definitely cover it up. That's the important thing which Manogna has told. Okay? And anything else, guys, which you want? See, it's not about just teaching. What you are learning, that is also important. All right. Anywhere, any sort of issues you guys are facing, please let us know. So I am facing this problem. You are not teaching this good. I appreciate Kalyani, here that we have told Umbrella. Let me appreciate Kalyani here, because see, we have told Umbrella, and most of you has said yes, I am clear to this, right? But she has found out another way, right? And she told us, sir, this is the way. If we are going to teach like this, it will definitely help others, right? And we have incorporated that thing in our teaching process. That's really an easy way, all right? So I must say thank you, Kalyani, here for see, nobody is perfect in this world, right? And whatever we know, we are sharing our knowledge with you, all right? And the information, what we know, whatever we have learned from our experiences, whatever we have learned while we were doing our designing course, we have learned, we are trying to share it with you people, right? So anything, if you feel that yes sir, this should be taught in such a manner, it will help others, right? As I told you that nobody is perfect in this world, and whatever we are aware of it, we are telling you, okay? And there might be a possibility of telling that particular thing in a different manner, in a better manner also. So that's really good. If you are aware of it, please share it with us. Please share it, sir. If we are going to do this in this manner, it's really good and it will help us, and you have not taught this. This is really going to help us in future. We will definitely work out on it. We are here to, work to improve ourselves as well. So definitely we'll work out, we'll search internet, we'll try to find out where we can get. We have so many masters with us, so many, designers working for us. We'll talk to them, even if, because, we have done our course 18 years back, and 18 years, there are so many changes which has happened. What we are aware with our experiences, we are trying to, understand it in a better manner and trying to explain you people. But if anything which is left from us, and if you are aware of it, please share it with us. All right, guys. So, any other questions? Like Manogna has asked that we have to add this in our ruffle class, any other thing which you guys feel that need to be added in, sir, please inform before itself what topic you are going to cover. Same thing I am telling you guys, all right, that instead of I deciding, let us decide together, okay, and even in the group also we can decide, okay, so we can be interactive, but don't deviate from today frock, tomorrow blouse, tomorrow ruffle, this, that. Let's go in a sequence manner. It will help you people. For us it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to us, right? But it will help you people to make, while we are making project, blouse is in a sequence manner, frock is in a sequence manner, right? It will help you guys, all right? So hope I am clear with this. Guys. Please let me know any other thing which you want to tell us, or you want us to tell you, or you guys are having any sort of confusion, any issues, any sort of any problem you guys are facing, so we can sort it out. I have accepted your two problems. One is this video, and I hope only video. All right. So with this, shall we close the class today, or anything else you want to understand, or you want to ask, you want to, Hope everybody is clear to it. And okay, so let's meet tomorrow at the same timing. And all right, guys, good night, bye.